case, People versus Harold Dennis.
Assistant Public Defender Jay Ballinger on behalf of Mr. Dennis. Mr. Dennis, can you please state your name for the record?
Harold L. Dennis.
All right, I have before me a plea form that indicates that the defendant would be pleading guilty to an added count 2 of larceny.
Welcome back to Courtroom Chronicles, where real cases meet real consequences. Today, we dive into a shocking plea hearing that takes an unexpected twist. Meet Harold Dennis, a man accused of holding on to someone else's car. Not for a few days, but for 2 whole years. Flushed faced what started as a simple work agreement quickly spiraled into a legal mess involving larceny charges, confusion over car repairs, and questions of intent. Was this a misunderstanding or a crime disguised as a mechanic's deal gone wrong? Let's find out as this courtroom drama unfolds. And pay close attention, because the judge isn't buying vague answers today.
Less than $200 to 93 day offense. Upon his successful plea to that charge, count 1 would be dismissed. There is no objection to sentencing under 77(1.1).
That is our understanding of the plea, Your Honor.
I have him sworn.
Raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear to affirm the testimony you're about to give be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
State your name.
Harold L. Dennis.
Sir, it is this court's understanding that you're going to be pleading guilty to the charge of larceny less than $200. That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 93 days jail, $500 fine plus court costs. The fine could be increased to 3 times the value of the property, which is the subject matter of the theft. If that's greater than $500, that would become the maximum fine. You understand all of that?
Yes.
You understand also, sir, that while I'm taking your plea, I would not be your sentencing judge, and you would be sentenced before Judge Washington in the 14B District Court.
Okay.
You understand that?
Yes.
Don't wish to plead guilty?
Yes.
And to that charge, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Now, you understand that by pleading guilty, you will not have a trial of any kind.
Yes.
You signed an advice of rights form today, is that correct?
Yes.
Any question regarding any of those rights?
No.
Look at paragraph 5. Those are your rights which are part of a trial. You understand by pleading guilty, you'll be giving up those rights as well as all the rights of that form.
Okay.
You understand that?
Yes.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
Yes.
Are you on probation or parole?
No.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today on the record to get you to plead?
No.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
No.
You're doing this voluntarily
Yes.
of your own free will
Yes.
because you believe that you are indeed guilty of this offense?
Yes.
On the date of August 19, 2023, at the location of 1150 Nash Avenue, Ypsilanti Township, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan, what'd you do regarding property belonging to Willie Rawls and Willie Rawls Jr. that makes you think that you're guilty?
Well, actually, I didn't do anything that,
Did you have an agreement with him?
yes.
And did you take his car as part of that agreement?
Yes.
And as part of that agreement, you were to return that car within a specific amount of time?
Yes.
And how long did you keep the car?
Too long.
And how long is too long?
A couple years.
Okay.
2 years? Is that what you said?
Yes.
I'm just,
And was the value of that property under $200?
well, it doesn't matter.
I understand for the purpose of the
But-
plea, Your Honor.
So how long were you supposed to have the vehicle?
Well, it wasn't a determined time, but supposedly till I finished.
Till you what?
Till I finished the job.
What job?
You were doing work
I
on the
was
car.
doing work on the car.
Oh, you were doing work on the car.
I'm
And so then after you did the work on the car, you were supposed to return the car.
Well, I was not finished with the work on the car.
2 years later?
Well, yes, 2 years later. And
Did the owner of that vehicle have an expectation that you would turn that within a sufficient amount of time?
Yes,
And did he contact the police as a result of you not returning the vehicle?
yes,
If I could briefly, were there multiple requests for the vehicle to be returned
Thank you.
that were not responded to?
yes.
And that's, so that we're really clear, the work that you were supposed to do would not take 2 years to complete,
No.
would it?
No,
In fact, it should have been completed well before that 2 year period,
yes,
correct?
yes.
You just didn't do the work.
No, actually, I did do the work.
He did some
Okay.
work,
Well, I didn't have it finished,
and the
but,
vehicle was returned after the adjournment of the PCs.
and it was returned fully finished and in excellent shape,
But 2 years old.
which I was trying to do in the beginning.
Well, here's what I do. Yeah, there certainly would be a higher charge I could accept a plea to, given the facts of this case. So with that understanding, counsel, have I complied with the court rule? Have I complied with the court rule? Would it be proper to accept this defendant's plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
Court will accept a defendant's plea of guilty to count 2. Count 1 is dismissed. Pre-sentence investigation and report is ordered at 14B District Court sentencing
July 3rd at 10 a.m. with Judge Waddle.
July 3rd, 2025, 10 a.m.
10
a.m. before Judge Washington.
Okay.
Bond will continue.
You need to contact 14B probation as soon as possible. And that's your sentencing date. Okay, and time. And that's the location.
Where am I? And
You don't need to sign off on this one. That's just for you to keep for your record so that you know when to go to that court, okay? You can give me a call later.
Oh.
All right, take care of yourself.
Build a car 2 years.
And just like that, Harold Dennis's guilty plea is officially accepted, with sentencing set before Judge Washington. A case like this shows how thin the line can be between a business dispute and a criminal charge. The lesson: communication and written agreements matter, especially when someone else's property is involved. What started as a car repair job turned into a legal battle over trust, time, and responsibility. If you found this courtroom breakdown as wild as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more real courtroom moments where the truth and drama collide every single week. Balance scale fire.